Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the iPad view in Bgmi so controls and HUD scale correctly for a tablet-like layout. Go to Settings, tap Basic, and locate the Display or Aspect Ratio option. Choose iPad view or the 4:3 alternative if iPad is not explicit. Once done, make sure to restart the game so textures and UI elements reinitialize at the new ratio. This prevents misplaced buttons and gives you the wider, more comfortable control spacing you want while playing. Now you customize controls and sensitivity to match the iPad view. Open Controls, choose Custom, and drag primary buttons toward comfortable thumb zones. The larger screen needs adjusted spacing to avoid accidental taps. Next, tweak camera, ads, and gyro sensitivity incrementally. Small changes improve aim and recoil control. Save this layout as a profile so you can revert easily. Then immediately test in training mode to verify button reach and aim feel. Iterate until movement and shooting feel natural. Finish by optimizing performance and addressing common problems. If the iPad view causes frame drops, switch to high FPS or smooth graphics and lower some texture settings to stabilize frame rate. If UI elements overlap or input lags, clear the app cache or reinstall Bgmi to force fresh UI assets. This often resolves corrupted layout files. Finally, test everything in training mode to confirm button placement and performance before jumping into ranked play. This prevents surprises mid-match and ensures consistent control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.